Are your Bandisoft apps crashing due to the Bandicam Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. Get the professional Bdcam library fix you need by accessing the utility linked in the description. This is the Bdcam library, the Bandicam Capture Library. It utilizes the Desktop Duplication API or GDI-based hooks to intercept high-speed frame buffers. It manages the unmanaged real-time encoding of these frames into compressed bitstream manifests, using NVENC or QuickSync hardware acceleration to maintain high performance during gaming sessions. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. Bdcam is part of a game graphics runtime. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy DirectX files, then update GPU drivers for OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA support. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Bdcam library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and re-establishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. A quick warning, many sites offering Bandicam Library DLL are actually distributing modified files that can track your keystrokes and compromise your passwords. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. If you're encountering repeated missing file alerts, the recommended suite linked below provides informational guidance for Bdcam Library. To keep Bdcam Library running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.